Describe the structure of chromosome. Chromosome consists of similar structures called chromatids. They are identical and are called sister chromatids. A typical chromosome has narrow zones called constrictions. There are two types of constrictions, namely primary constriction and secondary constriction. The primary constriction is made up of centromere and kinetochore. Both the chromatids are joined at centromere. This is essential for the movement of chromosomes at anaphase. If the centromere of the chromosomes is damaged, such chromosome fails to move at anaphase. The number of centromeres varies from chromosome to chromosome. The monocentric chromosome has one centromere and the polycentric chromosome has many centromeres. The centromere contains a complex system of fibers called kinetochore. Each centromere has two kinetochores linked with chromosomal arms. The kinetochore is made up of protein fibers and microtubules which assist in the formation of spindles during mitosis and meiosis. All constrictions other than primary are called secondary constrictions. In a given set of chromosomes, only one or two chromosomes have secondary constrictions. The nucleoli develop from secondary constrictions, and such secondary constrictions are called as nucleolar organizers.